The UK's minimum wage is set to experience its biggest increase on record in April 2025. This boost is across the board. For 18 to 20-year-olds, the minimum hourly rate will rise significantly, moving from £8.60 to £10 per hour. Workers aged 21 and over will see an increase in the national living wage going from £11.44 up to £12.21 per hour. But there's more behind this change. The government says this historic increase isn't just about higher pay. It's the first step towards creating a single minimum wage for all adults across the board. This shift aims to reduce wage disparities among age groups, acknowledging that young adults, especially those early in their careers, face many of the same living costs as older employees. In short, the idea is to bring everyone onto a more equal footing. There's some debate about this approach though. Supporters argue it's a win for young workers, putting more money in their pockets and helping to combat inflation. However, some business groups are concerned about the impact on smaller companies, especially those relying on younger staff. They worry this could lead to tighter budgets or reduced hiring. What do you think? Will this raise help young workers, or could it backfire for businesses? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.